when you want to test new things in your ads, then don't just make the changes and see how it goes. No, you have to duplicate the ad and then make the changes in the new ad in the duplicate. And then you can see how it goes, but only always make one change per ad, and give it some time, at least a week or so, to optimize, for Facebook to optimize. Because if you start to evaluate an ad too early, then you're not going to get the right results, because it takes a little while for Facebook to optimize, go through the learning phase and so on, for you to get to really be able to determine if it was a help or not. And yeah, another reason why you should not make changes to existing ads, but instead duplicate and make the changes, is if you make a change to an existing ad, then if you look at the results maybe over a month time, then you're gonna get mixed results. The results are gonna be an average of that time period. Maybe you had it for 2 weeks with one type of setting, and then another 2 weeks with another type of setting, and so. And then when you look at the performance over a month, then you're gonna get a mixed result, and it's not gonna tell you if what you did was actually helping. So always duplicate, make one change, and then leave the old one to run, so you can compare it with the old one. And if you want to make several changes, then make another duplicate and make that one change again. Hope it helps. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with a friend, and click that little notification bell. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. And also, if you want us to do all this, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. Then book a call with me. There's a link in the description to learn more. And also, please feel free to join our free Facebook group for coaches, consultants, and new entrepreneurs. There's a link in the description for that also. Take care. Bye.